In today's video, I'm going to show you some custom values that you can do for your checkboxes here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've shown you how you can literally change the values that you can use for your checkboxes. And that's by using data validation. So if you go to data, then data validation, add a rule, select checkbox from your dropdown right here, use custom cell values and place in the custom values that you want right here. The problem with this one is you can't put in formulas or logical expressions for the values. So instead of doing this one right here, I'm going to remove that and close that off. What I'm going to do is to create logical expressions that would give me the results of just true or false. So how do we do that? In my first example right here, what I want to do is to have a check mark on this part right here, or a checked box, if the grade on this column is actually over 90. So how do we do that? What we're going to do is, again, create logical expressions. If I put in an equal sign right here, select this cell, and if this cell is greater than 90, it will give me the result of true. So if I press enter, here we have it. We have a true value for that logical expression because it is true. 91 is greater than 90. And we have a suggested autofill, which we're going to accept by clicking on the check mark, and there we have it. And because the default values of our checkboxes are trues and falses, we are now able to turn these values right here into checkboxes. So select that range, go to Insert, and select Checkbox. And here we have it. All of the checkboxes are the ones or the grades that are over 90. And there you have it. So we were able to create that formula or those logical expressions into checkboxes with that trick. Let's try that again. For this example, now I have the values of passed and failed. So what do I do here to create logical expressions that would give me, again, the values of true or false? So to start off, if this cell right here is equal to the word passed, again, it will either give us true if it is true and false if it's not. Press enter, and here we have it again. We have those trues and falses based on the logical expression that we have just created. Accept the autofill, and here we have it. So now again, we can easily turn these into checkboxes. Go to Insert and click on Checkbox. So now we have checkboxes created based on the custom values from our data. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.